Hello everyone, welcome to my JA Physics channel. In this channel, I am very much committed for the best content to the students, and this is a question mainly targeting for the people who are just completed 10th class and started their 11th standard. So just I want to keep you in touch with my JA Physics channel for entire this 2 years journey. Okay, so who are aiming for JA Advanced 2023, so this is the program. So first we'll go from the kinematics. Okay, so I'll explain the beautiful questions or whichever I feel very good questions, okay, of kinematics. So next videos will be related to kinematics only, kinematic questions only. After that we'll go for chapter by chapter, Newton laws of motion, friction, and so on. Okay, and this is the question I have chosen in keeping in mind that most of the institutes, okay, you already completed kinematics by this time. So if you didn't complete kinematics, don't worry, you can come back again to the channel after completion of your kinematics. So this is a question related to riverboat problems, which is obviously related to relative velocity. So please once try this question and come back for the solution. If you are watching the videos first time, please do subscribe, okay, and like it also if you really like the content, and hit the bell icon for new notifications, and please share it with your friends. So let us see the solution. So now a man can swim in still water with a speed of 3 meters per second. So this is the what is the meaning of this? The meaning of man is in still water. See, in most of the questions of relative velocity riverboat, they will give you velocity in still water. This means velocity of the swimmer with respect to river. That is the velocity. If they have given in case of boat, it is the velocity of the boat with respect to river. So as it is with respect to river, river is at rest. That's why they have given in still water. And what is the speed as given? 3 meters per second. Okay. Now how the river is flowing? River is flowing towards it with a speed of 2 meters per second. See, whenever riverboat questions are given, please see that one condition, VBR is greater than VRG or not. Okay, if VBR is greater than VRG, then whatever usually formulas you have done in the classroom, you can apply it. So better I'll explain the theory later, okay, related to this. Now the starting point, we are taking it as a origin and time is equal to 0. Exactly, we require the locus of all possible points where the man can reach at time is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, so to solve this question, what I'm doing is I'm just following first as usual, like as the man is starting from here. Okay, so then swimmer will have velocity with respect to river. Okay, so that is VSR. Okay, na? VSR vector, which makes an angle theta. So now this theta we can change. Why? Because they have given that the man can move in all possible directions. That's why they are asking for locus of all possible points. What is the meaning of locus of all possible points? That means man is moving in all possible directions. So then what is the velocity of man, okay, or velocity of swimmer, okay, with respect to ground? I want velocity of man with respect to ground so that I can find out at least the position once I know the velocity. So for that, what we use velocity of the swimmer with respect to river. So direct formula, which is velocity of swimmer with respect to ground minus velocity of the river with respect to ground. Then velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground is equal to, I can write down velocity of the swimmer with respect to river plus velocity of river with respect to ground. Means resultant of these two velocities. See, this velocity and this velocity. Resultant of these two velocities will be the velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground. Okay, so for that, what we are doing is we are making this VSR into two components. One is VSR cos theta, which I can write down as 3 cos theta, because in the question you can say that is 3. Then I can make one more component, which is 3 sin theta. Now VRG value they have given as 2. Okay, so now you can find out the velocity along the x-axis and velocity along the y-axis, because already they have given x and y. So what is the velocity along the x-axis? Velocity along the x-axis, let us say 2 minus 3 sine theta, which is towards right. I don't know whether it is towards right or left, but I'm choosing it is towards right. Now what is the velocity along the y, which is 3 cos theta? I think in your classroom you have done the derivation, or you have done the use the formula for crossing the river is width of the river by Vy, which is 3 cos theta. Okay, because of this 3 cos theta velocity only, the swimmer or boat will able to cross the river, and because of this Vx you'll find the drift. So I think you have done that in theory. Now we require the locus of points, means x and y coordinate we require. So how to get the x and y coordinates? You can find out easily now, because as these are constant velocities, I can write down the displacement along the x is equal to velocity along the x-axis into time. Time is given 2 seconds. So velocity along the x-axis is given, which is 2 minus 3 cos theta, into time is 2 seconds. Then x value I'll get 4 minus 6 cos theta. Okay. So similarly I can find out the y coordinate, okay, or as displacement along the y, which is velocity along the y into t. See here we are able to find out vx into t, vy into t, because here speeds are constant or velocities are constant. Yeah, I can say velocities are constant, because I need to consider the direction also. No, that's why I told in that way. They are not accelerating. If they are accelerating, we cannot write down in this way. Then we have to use the kinematic equations. Okay. Then what is the Vy value? Vy value is 3 cos theta into time is 2 again. So I can write down this is 6 cos theta. Okay. So then we have got two equations. One is x is 4 minus 6 cos theta. Other one is y is equal to 6 cos theta. So then we have to find out the relation between these two, and ultimately we have to find out the locus of points x and y where theta should not be there. In this expression theta is not there. Okay, so I can find out now. Now you see the extreme right on screen. I can write down that x minus 4 is equal to minus 6 cos theta from the one equation. The other equation I can write down that y is equal to 6 cos theta. Okay, if I am squaring and adding these two, x minus 4 whole square, because the question form it in that way. In the question they have given x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to c square. So then I can write down that 6 square into cos square theta, okay, plus sine square theta. Then x minus 4 whole square is equal to, plus y square is equal to, I can write down 6 square. Okay, so from this I can write down that in the question given a is equal to 4 and c is equal to 6. Okay, so they're asking the a into c by 4. I think by this time you can find out the value. 4 into 6 by 4, you'll get final answer is 6. So hope you got the answer. Please do comment your answer in the comment section whether you got it or not. If you got any other answer also you can comment. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video and the content what I present. So please share it with your friends and help to grow the channel. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.